Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
On my Ghana, team. People don't learn. Na to de bia o hwa nsem bia ebeba beto wanim na ya na ya se na nsem we so pa efiri hen etiefo. O tin nsem bia na ya. Around just last month ye ni aye kai asemo eba ye Ghana for sority aye mama bia friend ekua dente within 90 years e wo Kafaba in the East Gonja municipality e wo Savannah region. Ye ni ehu de to mami nkrofo ekọ born be yie ebo mami ni kun mami no sa asem no yen kan wie yo egusu wo court eno an say that same region Savannah region na once eno no esiye ewo East Gonja but we esi ewo West Gonja we put the nkrofo 3 at the same time yakwa akọchi omo abomo omo say den ya yesi wo mu ye beifo inti sa krono wo mo believe no ana what is going on dabio if for nothing at all kana the 90-year-old woman yakwachi wo mo a wo mo ye and that me no ka say 14 people are on trial nkrofo bako 14 and the police wa chi omo a ye di omo court on that particular matter sebe unhu nyanse hu ne se ade a ato nkrofo ini sebe unhu sa nyansa no amende yasan kwachi maamefo miensa abo mu a ena me no ka say wo mu da hospital asenia ye pra wo mu ahyehye enye easy e ka de na nko mu wu nini na ne se endra omo wo festival bia ye friend fire festival. Now this one of the festivals omo ye cultural display. Me sure say we hu videos bia ekọ viral obehu video no obehu ne say wo bi atina ejamu na into no that part of the country no they have that festival a friend fire festival. Yes sir wo mu edi ndro ene nyama no tumi betina ejamu display tre say da bi bibi eni wa eja no betumi ayomo. When you say fire festival ya wo mo celebrate as ye behwe an say ya bon nkrofo miensa beye wo mo nina nso maamefo e na nkrofo ya tai bo mo beye nso ya maamefo a wo mo anyi na akwa ye say sa akuro no ye bo beye a wo ni hwe kan biom de wo be kan bia akwa ye say sebi wo bia wo nye kronfo a ye de ato ne so say wo ye kronfo de wo be kan bia ye ntie de wo be kan bia ye ntie ayachi maamefo yi afam mo abro mo a enye easy ba ko ne si wo East Gonja we esi wo West Gonja akwa ye say that is the tradition over there. What is this? Nkrofo maamenom. And you see these people doing these things say your momo yere no ma na kamenya short na kombe penecracy enya sa mostly people they don't even know. They just accuse them of being witches. Now wo bia wo nam ni baby wo ni masem ni hu bibi na waba no just say ni ebu omo. What is wrong? Why? Is it a crime to be an old woman in our society? Is it a crime to be an old woman in that part of the society? That is one more event saying I'm embrewa e was our society no udi agra ye beba obeye and then e koso yi na ka ye nim no wo bi nyi e wo society bi mu a ye hu nipa ko ne se wo nim de wo nyansa bibi kire wa adwen so a wo be ko ne ho na akwa ye say in a particular society wunyi a na ebo obeye ni e chi wa bo wanye lucky a ye bekun ma me read the Asemo police commander what that particular district no asem no esi ye no ma me read the Asemo police commander no what the two I was saying yesterday around 11 p.m., I had a call from the Temale communication that some 3 women were being attacked by a group that they are witches. So we quickly dispatched policemen there, and none of the women was rescued by the team. So it was this morning that I also have other information that a certain village, 2 women were also attacked, making 3. The attack was in the night, and when they saw the police coming there, they ran away. So we couldn't make an arrest in the night, but the victims has been sent to West Gonja Municipal Hospital. Jasemwa police na eka no. Omunya call. Say ye ebu nkrofo bi 2 different locations. Baako ye ebu nipa baako, another location ye ebu nkrofo mienu se womu ye mbeifo. Womu hu police for eno mu dwane ye. Nti police for ntumi anche omo. To omu ye investigation ne akwa che omo. Ewo utrim una ujina also will be a beifo, so you feel say you are the reaper of the witches, so you have to kill the witch. And then a police ni ba wujane. That means these people know say what they are doing is wrong. They know idea betumi ato omo e wa idea omo ye ho, but they continue doing it. Do we learn? The Ghanaian society, do we learn at all? Yes, yeah, dear. Maybe the NSA say Dabio and are people not aware of the environment? Are people not aware of what's going on? That's just a question I'm asking. Because maybe the NSA and Chayo NSA be 10 years ago and do 3 months crowd. Muniamu hu de atu nkrofo even ohene a wo sa akuro ne so kra no yakwakwache no. Nti sabe unsua nyansa ehun ne say ade bi na you are in West Gonja. Etu nkrofo wo East Gonja. Sabe wonhwe news kra na story e travel. It's unsua nyansa ehun ne say we bia na ekosi ye. We bia na ekosi ye ewo East Gonja. Ema ye kochi nkrofo and there is our spiritual people ya chi omo a omo patch say omo ni what came over them no. Ya chi omo dey omo call court they couldn't prove say ma me ni ye beifo. Omo stress yen fa omo born nche omo. So can't you learn from that? What criteria do you use to see say nipa we ye beifo? I have told you, a lot of people in our society say we glorify mediocrity. Inti wonkwaso a wo pese wo di show bi. Wonkwaso a wo pese wo di show bi. It is only in Ghana. It is only in Ghana. And I will say wobi ni bibi a enkoso no. Obepo obi di acheche ne kon. Ebia na ade na wo ye no, you are not doing it well. Ebia na processes no, it takes time. You have to fail. Ansana. But no, wo hu say ade na ye no enkoye nti. Wo de be call obepo obi e di acheche ne kon say nipa ko we nti e na ade am ye enkoye. Why? Why do we do that to ourselves? Aden ye ho saa. Opewobi kon the ade na hye. Imagine the reason why the last lady na wo mokobo no wo say ekuro ho ni nsio ento nti maame na wo ye beifo no no ma nsio. Hey, utumeji nsem bi ho pa wo say asempeni se nsio nto wo kuro ni mu impuntunjuma nkoso wo kuro ni mu nti maame na wo mo 90-year-old woman no ye beifo no wo no enema nsio nto wo kuro ni say people like this in our societies. Now, yes, police for they should do their possible best to arrest all of these people. They should do their possible best in Crawford ye bet chiomo. E di nyambransem say. Aden, bone beni aye. Omaya ye timu. na wo tete nsem bi se ende ni bie abase ye gusu ebo obi beye ofinyama ye ya enkoso ni e di show bi. I've told you similar thing. Nansen ya na me kan asem ne kire mo. Akwa say Ghana ha say, but you see unimo inti sisi ayenye den o sika ye sika dro uni sika na ye pon so a ye de show say we beefo. So I mean what do they want from people? Because now say me the story be bramo say Ghana ha say abrantie bi nebusuamu ni na ohia bubro wono pe enewo ska wono pa oye sika ni webusuo o wa cars won dan bibia bekoso wo busue ni mu bia enye bia ye de hye no ena ono so anya lucky nebusua no yawe bi wom na yawe no ono awoso akra no wo hu se na ebi eba ne maame so ase nebusua no bibi eba kakra na ase nkrofo adwen toche kakra wonse ebusua bi wo mu a omo wo saade no wo mu ebusuam ebi mu nso omo ebusua ada ebusua so nyama bi wo mu sa nti ono so ebusua no wanya lucky saade no wo mu eya na abodamsem kakra wo ho abete se o kazin bi ase bibia tie si ne so saade no na we ebusua ni mu o a wono ya akola wo nyi we ebusua ni saade ni we ebusua ni mu ende wenyi a wa baba da ni sikeni no ye de saade no chekere ne kon ya frɛ ebusua meeting ebusua mpanyimfo ebusua panyi atena sema ya frɛ papa yi sikeni a wode ne ho wa ware wo won yere mienu wo mma ya frɛ ne meeting ase sɛ ane yesi wona wo ye yen wona meeting ase ne to ne so o se tese mi wo sikeni nti wo bi wo ebusua ni mu eme me say obi to me bisano and I've said this here, I'll say it again because I some way idea we need to take these things off from our minds. Papa na meka no hansem no obi to me bisano ebusua need to me tell say me pesa me pam ade na ade pam na me pam no me kwa akosua yese mento machine nti aba bebisa wo no ebusuani a wo sika. So you say machine na me de or say no problem me boa o ebusin obeso ko si njuma de na me boa no amma say ni pa ko ne papa sika se won fa nkoto machine ma akola no papa ne koto machine ma akola no akola ne de machine eko ejumem 2 months pepepe na machine say ye de no aka ho say ane papa ne sanse ni sika no eye sika fin nti wodi ye bibia ma wa esei see our mentality. People don't want I mean interna sometimes say enkrofo bia utine cha beka say papa we ni trimodin papa we ni trimodin because nebusia wo hwese ne omu hia enyama wonu wo sika wombo ebusu ni bia no but to de bia ne ye nim to de bia na wo nim de nipa kono ye de ni go through ewo busua ni mu you don't know but obeti na abonten akansem no remu ala nkomo se interna papa won boa na busua no wo boa wo mo asem a wo mo ka wo nechi no emekodu baby even ebusuani bi akoye se wo de papa no kra eko eduro so ntina nko wo oje papa ne sika papa na wa fa ne ho adwende da se wo no won boa ebusuani bi abiom itini sika na wo mo ba sa wo mo beje no ka se wo mo obi asika afi asem wo mo kan se why lucky wo mo koye meeting ase no asem ani pa kon be ka se why lucky nka me de wo fa baby na nka wo so we hu se ne ete na why lucky se wa ma me usika na nka obo ndem de be yo hey enye easy that story no one day ye be ka ho asem